Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Wednesday, June 5th. Seeing some hazy conditions out there as we've had some moisture increasing across the area. This is all in advance of our storm system that's going to be impacting the area this evening, giving us quite a bit of showers and thunderstorms starting this afternoon and persisting, with chances persisting throughout much of the overnight hours. Taking a quick look at our surface analysis this morning, we do have not really, doesn't look like too much on the surface map here. That high pressure that gave us that beautiful weather yesterday has shifted well eastward and expanded a bit, and that's helped to give us a southwesterly flow, helping to increase our temperatures and moisture across the region. We do have this broad area low pressure across the northern Midwest this morning, and we do have a short wave and some upper level energy well ahead of that feature, and that's what's going to be responsible for giving us the focus for showers and thunderstorms late this afternoon into this evening. And then that low will slowly move eastward, and but we're not going to actually get the cool front from that low until tomorrow late afternoon or early evening. As of 8:15 a.m. out there, we're seeing just a few clouds at 2,000 feet, a few at 15, broken 25. It is rather hazy out there. Visibility is only down to around 7 statute miles. Winds are south-southwesterly, around 8 knots. Temperature already up to 73 degrees, and the humidity is up as well at 80%. Taking a look at a visible satellite imagery, you could see all the haziness out there on the satellite this morning, and you could also see that upper level cloudiness streaming overhead across the mainly west of the area, and you see much more abundant cloudiness starting to move its way in, and then we will be seeing those chances of showers and storms as we go towards late this afternoon as well. Taking a quick look at our short-term model here to show you how this is going to develop as we go throughout the day. It is going to remain dry throughout the morning hours and at least through lunchtime, looking like chances of any showers won't develop until after about 2 or 3 p.m. So you can see around noon we are going to start to see those showers pop up across the Piedmont, and then they will start to move eastward. This is around 2 p.m. when we start to see that more significant shower and thunderstorm development develop over the Appalachians. That will start to then drift east of the mountains and head our way. This is around 4 p.m. Not too much showing up on this model, but it is possible we'll see a pop-up shower briefly starting around 3 or 4 p.m. ahead of this main line of storms. And then it does look like this line of storms will start to impact our area mainly after the working hours starting around 6 p.m. and then we're going to get that first batch running through around dinner time between 6 and 8 p.m. And then after that, still going to be seeing that upper level energy linger throughout the evening hours, and we're going to be seeing scattered showers and storms develop behind that main line through much of the evening. Looks like it could end by about 4 a.m. So taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be seeing that high increase to 83 degrees this afternoon. Winds are going to start to steadily increase as well from the southwest or south-southwest, around 12 to 17 knots and gusty. We are going to be seeing a chance of a wind advisory with those gustier winds as we go towards the late morning hours and into this afternoon. Then after 4 p.m., those winds will ramp up even more as that line of storms approaches the area, seeing that wind advisory become more likely with gusts possibly to 35 knots at times with that line of storms, and even a little bit stronger if we get a strong to isolated severe storm moving through the area as well. We are going to be seeing those shower chances start after about 2 p.m. Very slight chance of an isolated shower popping up, with showers then chances then increasing quite a bit after about 6 p.m. That's when it looks like that line of storm is going to impact the area. That main line of storm should move east of the region, it looks like, by about 8 p.m., but between 8 p.m. and about 4 a.m., we are going to be seeing additional shower and thunderstorm development across the area with some brief heavy rain possible at times, possibly seeing some restricted visibility this time, mainly as we go, especially as we go towards tomorrow morning. Looks like after that rain moves across the area, we could be seeing some low clouds develop across the region. We will be seeing those winds weaken after that main batch of storms moves through, becoming southwesterly 8 to 13 knots and gusty. Our low tomorrow morning is going to be about 73 degrees, which is very mild for this time of year. That's actually tied for the record warm low temperature for June 6th. So very warm and muggy night associated with those storms and that continued southwesterly flow. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, not going to go through this line by line here, but we are going to start to see some lower level clouds increase through the area, mainly starting in the afternoon, becoming broken at 5,000 feet by this afternoon, and then broken clouds broken ceilings between about 2,000 and 4,000 feet when we get into those showers and thunderstorms this evening, possibly seeing them as low as 500 feet if we get into some very heavy rain, which is certainly possible after about 6 p.m. to midnight. And then as we go into tomorrow morning, those look like once that rain moves in, we will be seeing a chance of still seeing some low clouds lingering, possibly seeing those ceilings between about 500 to 1,500 feet by sunrise tomorrow, with that abundant low level moisture provided by all that rain we are expecting tonight. For tomorrow, going to be partly to mostly cloudy. We are going to be seeing the actual cool front from this storm system cross over the area in the afternoon and evening. That's going to give us another chance of a pop-up shower or storm. Ahead of that cool front, we're going to continue to see some westerly flow and a little bit of compressional heating due to that front approaching the area. That's going to help to bump up our temperatures all the way up to around 87 degrees. Then Thursday night, still going to looks to be fairly mild out there. With mostly cloudy skies, looking still at a scattered shower chance early with a slight chance of a thunderstorm. That low of 70 should happen, or should persist, because it does look like that cooler air is going to take its time to move through. And then Friday, starting to see those temperatures bump down a bit to more seasonable levels as we get more of a northerly flow reestablished across the area when they're mostly cloudy skies. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.